Hello, my name is Katrina Javanette, and I am doing the PowerPoint presentation of assistive technology devices, my low-tech ideas. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the objective of this assignment is I needed to take or find at least 3 pictures of objects that I use every day and describe how each could be used as assistive technology. So the 3 questions you had us keep in mind while we're looking for these items is this assistive technology, or I'll refer to as AT, just ask her, is it low or high tech? What category of AT does this object belong to, and what need does this AT address? So the first object I had, I'm just going to move myself over. Okay. You can see the pictures. Just to recap, low-tech tools are simple devices that does not involve any electronics. So they're low cost, easy to make, easy to use, and they're very low maintenance. Here are some pictures I found when I looked up low-tech tools. And also, actually, no, I got this information from the slide. That was really interesting, the presentation. I thought, I never thought these things were considered AT tools, so it was nice to see that there was actually like a range of types of AT things that could help students. So that was exciting to see. So the first picture I have is popsicle sticks. So I use a lot of I used to be an art teacher, so I love popsicle sticks. I always have them. They are great for crafts. But when I saw, actually, I had a teacher who did this, a special ed teacher I knew in the school I was teaching art at, where she would have popsicle sticks on books, so it'd just be easier for students to like flip through them if they had like fine motor needs. So this, of course, is low tech. The AT categories learning, since I'm using it for books primarily in this example, and the need it fits, as I explained, was fine motor needs. I thought this was pretty neat. I definitely would use this for a couple of my clients that I'm working with right now. And I think it'll just be really interesting. It's something that's interactive, which is something it's hard for books, especially if they have a hard time turning it themselves. So I like this one a lot. My next item is, okay, wiffle balls. So I actually have a bunch of these. I just like, I have a lot of materials over the years, and I was like, oh man, I never thought to do it this way. So again, this is a low tech AT used for learning. So, you know, and you can also use this for anything really, like paintbrushes, you know, art supplies, so anything like that. And it addresses fine motor skills. So this is something I would actually use as well for my clients who are starting to enter kindergarten and need to work on their fine motor, but on their handwriting, but don't really have the fine motor skills necessary to complete that task. So I thought this was a pretty cool idea. And it's also fun. I think kids would love using their pencils because, you know, who wouldn't want to write with a ball in their hand? Okay, and the last item I have is sponge hair rollers. So I have these a lot to, you know, curl my hair. And I was like, oh yeah, that's such a good idea to be grippers instead of like, you know, going out and buying those grippers for utensils, which I've seen before. Just have things lying around the house. And as you can see in this picture, you can also use it for toothbrushes, so anything that you need help gripping. Again, it's low tech, it's for daily living needs, and it's for fine motor. It addresses fine motor and grip, so it'll help those people who need more assisting, I mean, just everyday living, like things like eating and brushing your teeth. That it could be something that you can use, and it's quick and easy, and there's an abundance of them if you get it in a pack at a store. So that is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to learning more about assistive technology and how it can help individuals with disabilities. Thank you.